Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Balenciaga sunglasses, model BB0062o in color code 004. The color of the frame is red, and these glasses are a cat eye shape. On its bottom right lens, you'll find the Balenciaga logo engraved. The temples are also red, and you'll find the Balenciaga logo in white on its temple. This is the inside of the frame. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Balenciaga logo in white, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number of the frame. On its inner left temple is the model number and color code of the frame, and the dimensions. 53 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with the Balenciaga hard case, with the Balenciaga logo on the case, and also inside of the case. A black Balenciaga cleaning cloth with the Balenciaga logo on the cloth, a Balenciaga authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Kering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.